Hey everyone, Tony Mello Properties team. Hope you're all doing well. Wanted to do an open house video like I did yesterday over at this 144 Hart Street, unit number 24 in Taunton. So busy today and there was other things going on at the same time that I just simply didn't have enough time to make any kind of video. So I figured today, when I came back, that I would do that video. Obviously, I'm not showing you the home, but I'm showing you the listing instead. Yesterday, the video was kind of pixelated, so I couldn't show you the listing too easily. Doing it in this method, I can show you the listing a little bit better. We had somewhere in the area of maybe 15 to 20 people came yesterday, and more or less the same came today. All indications is that we should have somewhere between 5 and 6 offers by tomorrow. 2 of them cash offers. So everything went really well with this particular condo, and it showed very, very well. All right. So to the listing, just in case, because I haven't made any decision yet. So sellers haven't made any decision yet. We haven't set a deadline for offers because technically at this second right now, I don't have any actual physical offers. I've got 2 verbals. I've got a check in my hand. So we're working on putting some of that stuff together to get that done. So, but as of this second, no actual offer in my hands. Lots and lots of communication between about 5 other agents, and then those 2 cash offers that came in. So we're going to be working in that direction. Once those roll in, we'll set a deadline and then go from there. As you can see, 250 is the list price. It's over in the Canterbury Village Condominium complex over in Taunton, which is just off of Route 40 and 24. If you're familiar with the area, over by Home Depot. So it's a decent area as far as, and it's set back a little bit, so it's not like right on that main road. You've got all the conveniences of the stores in that location, the location to the highway. And yeah, so 940 square feet. Forced air is the heating system. One zone cool, one zone heat, natural gas. Heating system is up in the attic, more or less newer. This says furnaces 2021. I got some paperwork that says 20, so it's probably manufactured, I'm guessing here, manufactured in 2020 and installed in 2021. So relatively new heating system. It is not FHA approved. We unfortunately only got a hold of the property manager Friday. Today is Sunday. We did an open house Saturday, open house Sunday today, and we're supposed to get back in touch with the property manager again tomorrow to retrieve the rest of the paperwork that we need, things like the condo budget, and things like that, the master insurance policy, and those kind of documents. Warrantable, not warrantable, don't know. I'll find out tomorrow when I speak to the property manager, and I'll add all that information in as we get it. As of right now, we're expecting 5 to 6 offers, and everything looks good there. It's a prime example of the marketing technique where you can price something slightly lower than the actual market, which is what we did here. And we attracted enough attention to the listing that enough folks came to look at the property and submit offers that we will see where the actual price ends up being. So I won't release this probably today. I'm going to release it tomorrow, after tomorrow, when we have our offers in. We've discussed it with both the property manager and the sellers of the property, and the lenders. That's always a part of the process of going over these offers, is making sure that we know exactly what is going on, what the situation is, property manager, and what the lenders are able to do and not do, what the sellers are willing to do or not do, and then go from there. So this is a prime example of price it low, bring in a lot of folks, let them look at the place, hold it for as long as you can so that people have the opportunity, which I did Saturday, Sunday, to look at the place. Cut off the deadline for offers at a certain point, and then go from there. So I didn't see the need to do that in advance because I didn't want to be pressuring people to do sloppy work. Is really what happens is I needed to offer by tomorrow, and they end up making mistakes, and then later on they have to back out because of the mistakes that they made. Reasonable amount of time, go get stuff done. Bring me back a good offer, one that's reasonable. I'll do my due diligence on my end when it comes time to review those offers, communicate with the lenders, sellers, property managers, make sure that we're all up to speed on what it is that we're doing, what we're talking about, and make sure that we line it up so that we have as smooth a transition as we can. So hope you're all having a great day. 144, unit number 24, Hart Street, condo, Canterbury Village Condominiums. Uh, as far as we can tell, and there's no reason why not. It looks like it's. I spoke to the some of the folks on the board, and they said that was a reasonable HOA fee, the 417. It has not changed in the last 2 years. So will it change next year? Who knows? Maybe I can't guarantee that one way or the other, but I can tell you that in the last 2 years, it hasn't changed. We've had a lot of folks come by, a lot of folks come take a look at it. I was certainly busy in the 2 hours yesterday and the 2 hours today, to the point where honestly I couldn't keep track of everybody. They were coming and going. I was answering questions as fast as I could and accommodating everybody as well as I possibly could. So, they came, they went, they're happy, they have the information they need. The agents are now in process with talking to me. We'll put those offers together and do what we do and go from there. If you want to go look at this property, it's going to be important to do it very quickly today, tomorrow. No later to Tuesday of this week. Today is the 4th, so 5th, 6th. If you see this video and you want to go take a look at it. You have an agent, don't have an agent. If you have an agent, then we'll set up a time for your agent to go with you to go take a look at the place. If you don't have an agent, then you would come through me and I will go show you the place. So hope you're having a great day. Today is Sunday, February 4th, 3:30. We just left there half an hour ago. And this one is doing well. We expect it to close relatively soon. And for the marketing plan that we had selected, the sellers had selected. It seems to be something that we did really well with. So happy with that. 508-369-9755 is my cell phone. 508-369-9755. Tony Mello Properties. Hope you're doing well. Give me a call. See ya.